珍しい車出ましたね。去年はこれ記憶にないんですよ。めったにね、アメリカにもう初めて見たのかな。1961年のまだこの時代がトヨペットだったんだよね。これはね、アメ車っぽいところが本当にあるんだよね。50年代のアメ車、先ほどあるアメリカ人が 見ながらなんかベレアのミニバンじゃねえかっていう言い方をしていたら、あ、なるほどなと思った。もうアメリカ的なこういうね時代のグリル、エンブレム、ここにあるのはほらアメ車のベレアと言われたら、まあベレアっぽいところがこういうデザインのフッドエンブレム、こういうここにあるメッキとバンプレッドと、何よりねちょっとベレアと他のアメ車と違ってくるのはこれ観音開きっていうんですかね。ここから見てドアとドアの間のギャップが、このモール、これもこれなくしたらもしダメになったらもう買えないんだろうな、もうパーツないんだろうと思うんだけど、あ、これもこれカメラマン観音開きはいいんだけど、中も見てカーペットオリジナルダッシュ、もしくはあれ3速マニュアルコロムシフトのものなんだよね。この車のまたすごいところが後ろのガラス、他にもね見たことないガラス、これ割れちゃったらアウトだろうね。もう買えないものだろうと思います。これはここになんかオーバードライブ、3速のマニュアルコロムシフトにオーバードライブもあって、おそらくなんかハンドルかなんかを押すか引っ張ることによってオーバードライブになるかなと思うんだけど、デザインがいいよね。トヨペットかっこいいよ。色もいいし、当時のやっぱり1950年代、まあこれ61年式なんだけど、すごいなんか当時の色だなっていう感じです。うわー、ダッシュとこういうところがこの辺り見てくださいね。さあ、すごいかっこいい。他でこれも日本でも多分見たことないと思うので、アメリカにはこの1台しかないんじゃないのかなと思います。超珍しいいい車だな、貴重なもの。オーナーさんがいればいろいろ聞きたいと思うんだけど、いなさそうなので仕方ないんだけど、これサムズアップしかないな。今朝のライブ配信の時にすんごい目でもう見てすげえなと思ったのは、この1980年のトヨタカローラですね。全くオリジナルだからこそ、じゃあオーナーさんさっき見つかって、インタビューに応じてもらいました。Santos, nice to meet you. My name is Steve.
Nice to meet you, Steve.
We did a little live this morning when everybody was getting their cars set up here, and I'm walking around in these beautiful cars. Your car stopped me in my tracks. How old are you?
I am 62.
Wow, you look great for your age.
Oh, thank you.
I'm 53. So many people remember this car growing up. It was nothing of a special car. It's a normal, regular car.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But to see one now 34 years later that looks like it was brand new off the showroom floor is amazing. How did this car stay so clean like this?
Well, the car has been painted, but original color.
Okay.
And the upholstery too, original material and
Yeah.
everything. I bought it the way it was.
Yes.
But I want to make it better, you know?
Yeah.
I got it maybe 7 years ago.
Wow.
It was in good condition, but no love at all. You need love. The car
Yeah.
need love, and that's what I like to do.
I could see the love in the car. You put a lot of love to this car, and
Yeah.
you love Toyota, obviously, right?
Oh, yeah, I have mostly I do drag racing.
Okay.
Drag racing.
Yes.
Santos Turbo. You see it in YouTube.
Okay. Santos
But-
Turbo.
Yes, but
Yes.
this car is my daughter.
This-
She's over there.
Okay.
And we put it together.
Yes.
I bought it for her. And
You did it with your daughter together.
Yes, we did
That
it
is
as a
fantastic.
father and
Daughter project.
project. So-
Fantastic. That is
Yeah.
great. Does she drive this car?
Oh yeah.
Where is she? We'd love to meet her.
Vanessa, come please.
Vanessa, hi. My name is Steve.
Vanessa, nice to meet you.
You and your dad built this car together?
Yes, we did during the pandemic.
Yeah.
It started back in 2017.
Yeah.
We picked it up. You know, I always tell everybody that
Yeah.
it started little by little, so it didn't always look like this.
Yeah.
But you know, it was something that we did together. And once 2020 hit, we kind of like came together and we said, okay, what's next? And so that's when the fun part came when we decided to paint it,
Yes, sir.
reupholster it. That was really exciting.
Your car stopped me this morning in my tracks. You know, there's a lot of nice cars here, but the originality of this car, the two-door, a 1980, all original like this. And now you told me the story. This is what I wanted to hear.
Yes, sir.
Father, daughter. I have a son,
Yes,
23
sir.
years old.
23.
During Corona, you know what we did? We went to LA. We bought an RX-7 FC, a pile of junk.
Nice.
Yes.
But together during that time, we built it. And I can kind of see, is that a little bit of the story here
Yes.
too?
That's the beauty of it.
Yeah.
You know, she did a lot of wrenching,
Yeah.
brother, believe it or not, inside the car, outside.
How awesome is
I
that?
have a lot of pictures, but
Yeah.
you know, we did together.
And memories with your dad doing this.
Yes, absolutely.
And a car that means more. There's so much meaning to this car, right?
Yes, it's so much meaning. Every time somebody says, "Oh, can I buy it for me? Do you think you're gonna let it go?" I always say, "No, never," because
No way.
it's the memories behind it. It has a lot of meaning to it because me and him, we did it together. So I always say, "I never let it go."
すごいよな。俺とあっちゃんみたいに親子でコロナになって暇だったから車買って改造するっていうのはなかなかのストーリーじゃないですか。That is fantastic. I'm so glad I met you and I found you.
Thank you so
so much. Santos
Yes.
and Vanessa.
Vanessa, yes.
Thumbs up to your 1980 Toyota Corolla. Awesome. 後ろにある車は非常に気になりましたっていうか、すげえなと思って唯一のもうスタイル街道レーサーっぽい1990年式のトヨタのプレシダだよね。これ左ハンドルのアメリカ仕様なんだけどバリも日本の街道レーサーの扱いになるのかな。やっぱりこういうのがつくとステッカーとかダッシュとか中にこの車にアフターのアクセサリーもねないものはない。これ分かった。全てがある。これほどアクセサリーのすごい車久しぶりに見ました。ここからバンパーホイールもメッシュタイプでアンテナ当時のアンテナ1、2奥にもいっぱいあるテレビ用のアンテナ。そして中も見てすごいよね。シフトノブ、そしてダッシュカバーぶら下げてるのがいろいろもうすごいよな。後ろもこだわってステッカーからすんげえステッカーついてるんだよね。機能クリエーションとかずっとスロットルで全開自然空気最高落ち着いてってね落ち着いてっていうステッカーも特にねこの車好きなのは後ろなんだよね。アンテナこのアンテナはもう80年代とか70年代から80年代だったかな。最初は車にテレビがあるっていうのはこういうアンテナがあったんだよ。俺の親父もこういうあってかっこいいよな。これはなんかこれ見るたびになんかその人はなんかかっけえなっていう感じだったんだよね。それとここにあるこれは無線が電話用のこれテレビだよね。でこれ電話か無線用のダブルアンテナがすごい。何よりこの車のこう注目のポイントは123の3本出しだよ。3本出し細い3本は綺麗にこれ伸ばして結構遠くにここまで伸びてるんだよね。すんげえもうナンバーライトまでテールにも可愛いって書いてある。バリバリもう日本のここも可愛い系のライトとか見れば見るほどこの車にすごいアクセスするとすごい大きくといろいろもうすごいかっこいいド派手な1990年式のトヨタプレシダだよね。プレシダアメリカ仕様のものすごいよな。すごいサムサム 最近アメリカで話題になったカフェがあります。藤原豆腐カフェがロサンゼルスの郊外エルモンテというところにあります。で、今日初めてそのオーナーさんのヴィンセントさんに会ったんですけど、皆さんに紹介してるんだけど、彼の車です。すごいそのカフェに今回は時間がないかもしれないんだけど、今度ぜひ行ってみたいなと思うので、ちょっとヴィンセントにそれについてちょっといろいろ聞きたいと思います。Vincent, nice to meet you, man. Everybody's talking to me about your cafe, what you got. You have opened up something so cool, so awesome. I know you took a lot of risk right during Corona to even get this up and going.
Yeah.
How's it paying off for you?
It's alright, but we made it, you know.
You made it.
We made it. Yeah.
What kind of people come to your cafe?
All kinds of people, like car people, you know, like elderly,
Yeah.
young kids, everyone.
But for you, Initial D was something you grew up loving. Is this, and was that what inspired you to start this cafe like that here?
Yeah. When I was a kid, I wasn't into anything.
You weren't in
I
it.
wasn't into. I watched Initial D, then I just fell in love with it.
Initial D changed your life.
Pretty much, yeah. And then I started getting into car industry. I worked in the car industry first.
Yeah.
So my whole life is pretty much so far around cars.
That is amazing. How old are you?
32 this year.
So you're a young guy, and you run that. You started the restaurant, but you run it by yourself.
Oh,
Or
my
you-
girlfriend.
Your girlfriend and you together. This car is. I see something on the car. Tell me about this 86.
So this is my second 86.
Okay.
My first one was SL5.
Okay.
I got it in college, but back then I couldn't fix it up, so I sold it. Which I always regret.
Of course, everybody does.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is my second one.
Yeah.
And I just basically took my time to build it up. It took me 7 years to build it like this.
You got the throttle body. I see the ITVs. You got a 4HE.
Yeah, it's a 20 valve.
You have a 20 valve
It's
too.
a 20 valve.
Like
silver
ours.
top.
Wow.
Just like
Okay.
a silver
Yeah,
top.
man. Awesome. How many RPMs did you get this thing to go?
Right now we're selling it at 75.
75.
But I'm sure it can go higher.
Man, nice car,
Thank you
nice
so much.
idea. I even like what you did here. I even like you threw in right for tea as opposed to the tofu, right? You
Yeah.
changed that, but it's a tofu tea shop
Yeah.
in a sense.
We sell both.
It,
so.
yeah, man, it's awesome. You want to sell my obanyaki when I send it to you? Hoshi?
Sure.
Nice. I'll make a black and white version for you.
Okay.
白黒のおばん焼きもいいかもしれないよな、彼のカフェで。いいよね。
Sure.
Man, anyway, I just wanted to say thank you for doing something good. I'm sorry I cannot come to your place this time, but next time I'm back in Los Angeles, I will come, and if I can bring my 86 too, that would be even better, right?
Yep.
Awesome, man.
Thank you so
Thumbs
much.
up is what we do.
Hey.
Vincent of the Fujiwara Tofu Cafe in El Monte, California. Check him out, guys. Lots of fun going on there. Tell him you saw my Steve's POV.
Hey, thank you.
この辺りに一番目立つのは3233スカイラインですよね。Beautiful 280ZX. And I said to myself, man, I want to interview somebody interesting with a story. Y33 グロリア見つけました。ご視聴ありがとうございました。関連動画、こちらとこちらにありますので、よかったらチェックしてみてくださいね。チャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。そして通知ボタンをオンにしてね、よろしくお願いします。